Yes, dear student, today we will discuss about the method to solve pair of linear equation in two variables. There are two methods. First is graphical method and the second one is algebraical method. First of all, we discuss about graphical method, but before doing the graphical method or we have to discuss about the graphical method, we have to show some properties, discuss some properties about the coefficient of x and y. As you know that the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, or the and another equation is also in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and we differentiate with a1 b1 and c1, a2 b2 and c2. So these are the pair of two equations. So before doing the graphical method, we have discussed some properties of coefficient of x and y. For this, we have to take some example. Look at here. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, here are two equations are 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and second equation is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Now do you know what is a1? Now we discuss about the a1. a1 upon a2. What is a1 upon a2? a1 is 2 and a2 is 3. So it is 2 upon 3. Now you know that what is b1 upon b2? b1 is the coefficient of y. So b1 is 3 and b2 is 4. When we see the a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, so you look at here that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Why it is not equal to a1 upon a2 is b1? Because a1 upon a2 is 2 upon 3 and b1 upon b2 is 3 upon 4, and they are not equal. So if the coefficient of a1 b and b1 or a1 b1 or b2 is not equal, then the given equations show in a graph these are intersecting lines. It means when we draw the graph in a graph paper, so these two lines are intersect at one point. Then what is the meaning? It means they have unique solution. Now the second one, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 in and also equal to c1 upon c2. Now look at the two equations, 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y plus 8 equal to 0. When we show the properties of a1 upon a2, so it becomes 2 upon 4, b1 upon b2 is 3 upon 6, and c1 upon c2 is 4 upon 8. When we convert to the lowest term, so it becomes 1 upon 2. It is also becomes 1 upon 2. It is also becomes 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. What is the meaning? It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and equal to c1 upon c2. If this property shows, it means the graphs is coincident lines and the solution is infinite many solutions. What is the meaning of coincident lines? When we draw the graph of these equations, so both the values lies on the same line, और हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि दो लाइन, जैसे यहाँ पे दो लाइन्स ड्रॉ हुई थी, एक फर्स्ट इक्वेशन की और एक सेकंड की. अब यहाँ पे जब भी हम वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे तो देखेंगे दोनों इक्वेशंस की जो वैल्यूज है वो कोइंसाइड करेंगी, मतलब दोनों की वैल्यूज जो है एक ही लाइन पे आएगी, दूसरी लाइन बनेगी. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ऑल दीज आर वैल्यूज आर द सॉल्यूशन. दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशंस हैज इनफिनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन. नाउ द थर्ड वन, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. Take an example, 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 6x plus 4y plus 6 equal to 0. When we solve it in the form of a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2, a1 upon a2 is 3 upon 6 equal to b1 upon b2 means 2 upon 4. Now we write C upon C1 upon C2. C1 upon C2 is minus 4 upon 6. When we convert into lowest term, so it becomes 1 upon 2 equal to, again it is 1 upon 2. When it is converted, so it is becomes minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3. Now it is clearly that 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, but it is not equal to minus 2 upon 3. Then what is the meaning of this? It means that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, but not equal to c1 upon c2. When we draw the graph of this type of equations, so they shows the parallel lines, and what is the meaning of parallel line? They have no solution. Look at here. When we draw in a Cartesian plane, when we draw the graph, so both the lines are parallel to each other. They never intersect and never coincide. It means this type of equation has no solution. इट मीन्स जब भी हम ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे तो सबसे पहले हम इनकी प्रॉपर्टीज को चेक कर लें। ये अगर a1 अपॉन a2 और b1 अपॉन b2 जो दो इक्वेशंस हैं, उनके a1 अपॉन a2 और b1 अपॉन b2 अगर नॉट इक्वल हैं, तो पक्का जो है वो कौन सा सॉल्यूशन होगा? यूनिक सॉल्यूशन। आप समझ रहे हैं सॉल्यूशन का मतलब? ग्राफ कहीं ना कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा। सपोज करो ये ग्राफ यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कर गया -1 और 3 पे, सपोज करते हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल। तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स? एक्स की वैल्यू हो गई -1 एंड वाई की वैल्यू हो गई 3। तो हमें यूनिक सॉल्यूशन जो है मिलेगा इसमें। इफ a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 और इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, तीनों अगर इक्वल हो तो जो भी होगा वो होगा इनफिनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशन। मतलब ऐसे में जो भी ग्राफ है उसमें एक सिंगल लाइन ही बनेगी और सारी ही वैल्यू जो हम पुट करेंगे वो एक ही लाइन पे लाइज करेंगे, तो इनफिनाइट मैनली सॉल्यूशन होगा। और जब हम चेक करें प्रॉपर्टीज a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 एंड नॉट इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2, तो जो दो इक्वेशंस की ग्राफ की लाइंस है वो एक दूसरे से कैसे होंगी? पैरेलल। और इसका मतलब होगा कि ये दोनों इंटरसेक्ट भी नहीं कर रही, कोइंसाइड भी नहीं कर रही। इसका मतलब ऐसी इक्वेशन का कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं है। तो हम वहाँ पे लिखेंगे इसको नो सॉल्यूशन। और ऐसे